everybody, welcome to 5 Minute Fridays Halloween edition. The name of the game is to finish a DIY project in 5 minutes or less, and today I'm feeling confident we've got this one. Today's DIY project is a Halloween wreath. Okay, so let's waste no time and let's get started. Go! Oh yeah, I hate this part. Okay. Begin. Just start putting things. Okay. So some stuff I have from the shop, some stuff I have from the garden, some stuff I have from last year. Oh my god, stop wasting time. I think I can do this one justice. Maybe. We've got some dried leaves, pine cones, we've got some stuff going on here. Okay, we've got a hot glue gun. Oh, I think. Oh no. No. Haha. Okay. Steady. And then you will go, I think, here. I was feeling confident about this one. I thought this one would be straightforward, but now that I've started, I'm starting to think differently. Okay, maybe we'll put you here. Okay, plenty of glue. Now I think we will add a few spiders. Okay, where? I'm just gonna add glue to the spider and then I'm gonna let the spider find its own way. I always get nervous doing these 5 minute Fridays. Okay. Got some stuffing from a pillow that we're just going to use as cobwebs. Hopefully it works as cobwebs. Good thing about this is it just kind of sticks. Maybe I put some on the back. 3D effect. Okay. We got. Keep moving. Put a skeleton. I want to put the skeleton sitting down, so let's try that. Lots of glue. Ouch! Bum. I don't know how long it's. Please try quickly. Okay. Please dry, just dry. That's all we need. We need some more spiders. Oh, I have sticks. We have a few things. Oh, where are the sticks? Sticks. I didn't want it to look too perfect, so we're gonna add a few sticks on the top here. Oh, maybe we can make it. How much time have I got left? Oh my god. Whoa, I forgot again. Forgot that I'm on 5 minutes. Okay, no talking. Just start adding. Timer, the screen turned off again, so I couldn't see. It happens way too often. I've got 1 minute, 20 seconds. Okay. I always think I have more time than I do. I'm just not learning. Okay. Concentration. Added a bat. Freaking skeleton fell off. Come on. No. The pine cone. I want to try to get this pine cone on. Okay. this. Okay. Oh. Okay. Maybe some more here. Okay. Sticks, did not sticks. No. Okay. Let's see. Never gets easier. Just doesn't get easier. I always think it's gonna work out well. Anyways, let's hope it all stuck together. You ready to see the masterpiece? Da, 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 da. It's not quite dry yet. Let's give it a few more seconds to dry and then we can lift it up. Think I can pick it up yet? What do you think? I think we'll call this one a win. I'm desperate for a win. Okay, let's add a string to it and hang it on the door and see what we think. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I hope to see you in the next one.